Hi guys, how are we doing? Welcome to my weekly analysis. So let me get right into it. I don't want to waste your time. We have still been selling on AUD/USD. Told us I am looking for a buy right here in this place. It has been consolidating, so I'm kind of waiting. Although, if you have been catching all the whole set to this point, you would have made some cool cash. But right now, I'm staying my hands on both AU and GU. I'm waiting for my DXY to make a move here. It's consolidating. Although, like I told you in last week, I'm expecting it to shoot down, but I'm going to wait and see what it does, especially based on the news that came out last week. So I am still observing. Let's see what happens. It's consolidating. So then maybe we can do something. So EJ, just like we predicted, it is reacting and selling off as well. Although right now I have some kind of a break and another block that is reacting to. So I'm actually predicting, hoping to see if EJ is going to come all the way down. But like I always say, wait for confirmation on the lower time frame. Right? Same thing for AJ. AJ is already responding. Gave us a little bit of week above. But right now, I think we can get some shoot down because automatically we had a break of structure here. If you've been following, and the market came back for this nice supply zone. So that's what I have for JPY pairs. EURGBP, it has been giving a lot of gaps and not coming back. So the recent one I have right now is this one. Gave a break of structure and this also. I'm still looking for sales. Like I said, on the higher time frame, we've been selling this from all the way up here. If you cut all this sell, congratulations. This is a huge amount of pips. I gave this prediction a very long time ago, and we've been getting all these sales, break of structure, supply zone, break of structure, supply zone. So although we have a lot of gaps above, so I would not want you to risk a lot on any, because at any time, it can break any one of it to come and fill up all these gaps it has created. So I would advise that you are careful. Risk minimally. Do not over leverage. Make sure you are doing 1%, 0.5% per trade. And you should be good. So basically, I think that's what I have for you guys. Is there any other one? Okay. No, this one I'm just trying to see. I think GBP is strong, apart from EJ and AJ that I'm expecting to sell. You know, we have a break of this trend line. I'm expecting a retest, although I have a break of structure to the high side GBP last week, and I might actually take this to the high, then sell off. But I am not giving you this. I still have a lot of confirmation to get on the lower time frame before I'll take this. So don't take it so serious. So basically, guys, that's what I have for you. That's what I have for you. EURCHF came for this other block and it shoots him down. So if it can come back for us on this supply zone, I may join in all the way down. So that's it. Basically, that's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it, guys. That's it. So GBPCHF is shooting down as well. If we can get a break of this low and tap into this nice supply zone, I'll be willing to join in. Right, but I want to see a clear break of this low here. So this is what I'm expecting. I think it already gave the break. Yeah, I think it already gave the break. So a good sell would be nice. A 25 pip stop loss is good. And I'll be looking for the market to close this gap. Yeah, something like this. Something like this. So, like I said, that's giving us this claim move. So let's see if the market can come all the way up there for that supply zone. Then, we should down. So that's what I have for the week. And if you check this very well, we have a gap that needs to be filled. You can see there's a gap between this and this. So this is a nice setup. Yeah, this is a nice setup. The market can come here, swipe this liquidity, tap into this, then shoot down. So let me do a quick trade recap. I'm expecting a sell on GBPCHF, a sell on EURGBP, a sell on EJ, and a sell on AJ as well. So let me just keep it that way. I don't want the video to be too long for you guys. So that's what I have, guys. Thanks for joining in. If you have any question, if you have any question whatsoever, feel free to reach out to me and I'll be there to help. Thank you very much, guys, and I'll see you guys next week again. Bye.